This course delves into the art and science of leading effective collaboration sessions. Discover the core principles of successful collaboration that go beyond teamwork to fostering a culture of trust and creativity. Whether online or in person, synchronous or asynchronous, learn to adapt your collaboration to any scenario. With our guidance, you'll craft an approach that's as flexible as it is effective. Whether you're planning a 1-hour meeting or a half-day workshop, this course will equip you with the techniques to design an impactful and engaging collaboration. Our synchronous format ensures that you're not just watching, but actively participating and applying what you learn in real time. So bring your upcoming meeting or collaboration session to life as you journey through this course, applying each lesson to design and refine your plan to achieve the remarkable outcomes that you seek.